Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Of course, my name is Dorian, and today we are going to do an unboxing of the Ipsy boxes that I just got in the mail. So Ipsy sent over the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus and the Ipsy Glam Bag, and I think I'm gonna go with the Glam Bag Plus, which is this guy right here. It comes with 5 full-size products, and let's see what they look like. First is this Pretty Filter Wonderful Glow Cream Touch and Soul. It is a Korean brand. Almost everything is written in Korean except for the instructions. So, Pretty Filter Waterful Glow Cream Skincare immediately plumps up dry skin by hydrating the skin. Light texture cream for all skin types, including oily skin, that gives perfect moisture during the skincare. How to use: apply it on whole face as last step of skincare and tap it in for absorption. So this is probably going to be a really good base for foundation, is what I'm thinking. It has a lot of ingredients in here that are going to help to hydrate the skin, but it does have dimethicone as like the 6th ingredient, which means it's going to give just a really beautiful smooth texture. So I think this is going to be super beautiful underneath makeup. Oh, it's like a gel texture. Really, really, really lightweight, but leaves the skin feeling super duper smooth. I think I'm actually going to try this out the next time that I film. I do put a little bit of foundation and powder on when I'm filming, so let's see if this helps with texture. Next up, we have Pixi Glow Mist. So I am obsessed with the Pixi Milky Mist. If you guys haven't used it, so beautiful. This guy right here is the Glow Mist. So this is going to have oils in here, propolis and argan oil, which are going to help to hydrate the skin. Before makeup, hydrates, protects, and nourishes. After makeup, sets, adds a dewy finish and protects. Anytime, refreshes makeup, hydrates, and adds glow. Shake to mix, close eyes, mist over neck, face and neck for all skin types. I haven't tried this one yet. So, the one thing that I'll say about Pixi is that their mists are so soft. It's like a cloud. Ugh. Anyways, all right. Oh, it smells delicious. Not that I need more of a glow, but I'm liking this. I think I'm gonna definitely use this for more of my drier skin types. And next up on the docket, they sent over a mascara. So this is Thrive Causemetics. It is an Orchid Stem Cell Complex mascara. So I'm assuming that this is going to be lash enhancing. Oh, that's beautiful. Beauty with a purpose. For every product purchased, one is donated to help a woman thrive. So liquid lash extension mascara, flake-free liquid fiber technology combines buildable fibers plus Korean plant extracts for instantly longer, thicker lashes. Orchid Stem Cell Complex stimulates plus encourages lash growth. Vegan, cruelty-free, paraben and sulfate-free, always a plus. This is metal. Like, it's heavy. This is my favorite type of wand. So the Inimitable from Chanel has something kind of similar to it, where it's this synthetic type of bristles. And I don't know if you guys can actually see it. I hope it focuses so that you can tell what it looks like. But it's even done into a cone shape, so that you can really get into the inside corner, build up the outside lash line. I'm excited to use this. So next up in the box is something from Huda Beauty. So if you saw my video from the Ipsy unboxing last time, I probably said Huda Beauty wrong 15 times. I don't know what was wrong with me. It was so funny. But this month they sent over Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette, and this palette looks like super stunning. I just can't get over it. So Huda Beauty is a brand that I hadn't really used before, and thanks to Ipsy, I am now turned on to this brand. I'm really loving it. So I'm going to swatch them for you. So you got Barbados, which is this really, really, really pretty kind of goldeny, coppery color. Then you have Maldives, which is a powder. And if we're following the instructions, Maldives is supposed to be set on top of Barbados. We also have Aruba, which is the Sculpt. So this is going to be like the bronzer. And we have Bora Bora, which is kind of the more warmer brown tone. Those are really, really, really pretty. I hope that you guys can see the colors. Next up, we have something from Naked Causemetics. So this came in a box with no label on it. So I'm going to go from lightest to darkest and swatch them really quick for you. These are the highlighters. I'm going to do the shadows on this side. So we have the first one, which is NN01. Number 2, SN02. Okay, the colors are actually really different. So the first one is more of a champagne tone, and the second one is more of a lighter pinky tone. Both of them really, really high shine. This is the third one, more of that lavendery color. And yeah, it's like a gray lavender, gray cool color. Still bright though, still really glittery. And last but not least, we have this chocolate brown color. But really, really pretty. I'm digging it. All right. So, kind of sum everything up, we had the Wonderful Glow Cream, the Pixi Glow Mist, this mascara, which I really am just so intrigued by. All right, we're gonna have to play with that. Huda Beauty, some of my new favorite makeup, and Naked Causemetics pigments. We have this all set up, and let's just do the little bag really quickly. Comes in this cute little bag. We have Where Is My Money Trust Fund Beauty. I think this is a little lavender color for, this is more like a springtime color. Where's My Money is what the color is called. This is the Brighten Concentrate Oil with Kakadu or Kakadu Plum. Kakadu Plum, I'm gonna have to look that up. One of the world's richest natural sources of vitamin C. And this is by a company called Red Earth. I've never heard of this company either. Kakadu Plum and Pro Vitamin A Beta Carotene. This multitasker elixir will leave your skin refreshed and rejuvenated from the outside in, from skin to the soul. I am such a sucker for a facial oil. I think oils just work really well for the skin. If you remember when everything was oil-free, it caused so much damage to people's skin. We actually need oils in our skin or else we're going to produce more oil. And when everything was oil-free and everybody was saying, don't use oils, we got so dehydrated and everybody was coming in with just super dehydrated skin. Oils are back with a vengeance right now, and this guy right here, nice texture. It's almost citrusy. This is on the back of my hand, so it's not absorbing super, super quick, but I think I'm gonna mix this in with a matte foundation just to give it a little luminosity and see how that works. But I'm also gonna try this tonight, and maybe in the next video, I'll let you know how I loved it. So, Red Earth. We also got a little roller lash from Benefit, super curling and lifting mascara. It was Pride this last weekend, and I never go out, so all of that like drinking and being out in the sun just kind of gave me a little cold. So if I'm sniffling or I'm coughing a little bit, so sorry about that. Roller lash from Benefit. I've never used anything from Benefit, so this is going to be interesting to use. I love little guys. They're really great to take on small jobs or on vacation. We also got I think this is an eyeshadow. Iced Tea Eyeshadow Mini Cool Shade. TheBalm Causemetics. And it's like a really pretty lavender color. Can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see that? And then last in this little guy is, oh, my favorite. It's a mask. So, Feel Mindful. Palo Santo Smoothing Mask, Adaptogenic Mushroom, and Niacinamide. Why is that so hard to say? Niacinamide. How to use. Apply a thick layer onto clean, dry skin. Leave on for 10 minutes or longer. Wash off with warm water and pat dry as needed. Oh, the ingredients are actually really nice though. All right, definitely gonna have to give this a try. In the Ipsy Glam Bag, in the small one, this guy right here, to kind of let you guys know what was in there again, we had the Red Earth Oil, Roller Lash from Benefit, the little nail polish right here. I don't know if I'll actually try that on, but I'll definitely see if somebody else wants to. And eyeshadow, lavender, matches the lavender nail polish, which I'm sure they did on purpose. And the Feel Mindful Soothing Mask. I think this is what I'm most excited about in this little glam bag, the Ipsy Glam Bag. So definitely gonna try this out. If you guys have never tried Ipsy, it's something that I would definitely recommend. It is just super awesome to get samples and full-size products. It's really not that expensive, and it gives you the opportunity to try out products that you probably would never have tried out before. If you liked the video, please subscribe, ring that little bell also so you get notifications of my next videos. That's it. So we will see you guys next time. 5-Minute Fridays should be the next video. We'll see you guys next time. Be kind to each other. Have a good one. Bye, guys.